Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today we're doing some Micro Loc Twist extensions on my client. She has pretty fine hair, not super dense. So this install was pretty straightforward. If you don't already know my method, I'll go over my steps really quickly. I part this boxes out, grid if you will. I braid the hair into the root, feed it in like I would do knotless. I braid down a little bit, preferably past the hair a little bit depending on how long the hair is, and then I 2-strand twist it down to the end, close to the end, close enough, and then I interlock it. With her, we stuck with a 2-point rotation when interlocking, 3-point when I felt like I needed a little bit more tightness in certain areas. But that's generally all I had to do with this client's hair. It was pretty straightforward. She loved it. It was really nice. And yeah, do you have any questions? I know I feel like I keep showing you guys the same thing, and there's always new questions, which is super cool, but I try my best to get through them. So I try to answer those questions when I do the voiceovers, and then I be forgetting. So if you do have any questions, please drop them below. usually at the end of my installs, I go through the care steps that you do at home, which are pretty simple, straightforward. Just to let you know, it's hydrating your hair twice a day. If your hair likes that, the biggest thing I try to stress with my clients is you have to learn your hair and know what your hair needs. Some people's hair needs to be misted twice a day to maintain hydration. Some people want some every couple of days. You got to find the right routine for you. So I give them that whole spiel. I tell them what oils I think they should use to lock that hydration in, and then I give them tips on, like, if they have to wash it at home in between their appointments, if they're planning on coming back to me to braid and band, to also like twist it down at night because you don't want it all rubbing together, and to also let them know that locking your hair is a journey. So it's going to get really frizzy and it's going to do all its things, and you probably have a few slip out, but I will fix all your problems the next time I see you. So that's generally how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please drop them below, and I will see you guys in the next install.